In front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to adjust AI intelligence in LAN game. In the beginning, let's go to local multiplayer and enter LAN game. Post LAN game and go to settings. Next, enter difficulty and adjust AI difficulty on this slider. Ultimate is between 101 and 110. Legend 95-100. Master 90-95. Or Expert 80-89. Hard 60-79. Medium 40-59. Easy 20-39. And then we've got very easy. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.